Here we will focus on markers and how to manage and use them. Markers are the actual physical connection to the real world and are hence a very important part of every system. Markers have a unique ID and consist of different access technologies like NFC, QR codes, and beacons. Every created system already comes with a certain number of markers. There will mostly be 1000 markers, with the exception of the enterprise solution. At the marker list, you can easily see which markers have a spot assigned to them already, with the name of the spot being shown. Whenever a spot is assigned, there will also be a clickable icon present in the last column called Detach. Clicking on that icon will detach the spot from the marker and marker will be free for the future use again. The icon in the Produced column will show us whether a marker has already been produced or not. This will mostly be checked whenever a spot is assigned to it. In order to connect markers with the relevant access technology, one first needs to acquire the links and IDs relevant for the marker. These can be found in the CSV file downloaded by clicking on the button located in the upper right corner saying Download CSV. To truly get all the data you want in the CSV file, you first need to make sure that all the markers you want to have in the file have been preloaded, meaning if you want to mark 100 locations and have not yet connected any spots to them, you can use the filter option to limit the shown markers to the relevant numbers and wishes. After filtering and having the desired markers loaded in the marker list, you can download the CSV file. The file will include all the relevant data for every one of the filtered and loaded markers, and these links and IDs can then be used to connect the access technologies with the markers. After acquiring the CSV file, you will also need to connect spots with the markers. This can be done either before or after the physical marker connection. Generally, this can be done in two main ways. One is with the help of the service app and will be covered in a different video, and the other one is simply by opening a link of the marker. The link can either be copied and pasted into your browser, or you can also open it by scanning an already produced QR code or NFC chip. Whichever way you decide to go with, you will land on a page like this. The page shows all the active spots with a button assigned next to them. To assign one, simply click on the button and the connection has been created. You can also assign a new spot directly from that view. The newly created spot will automatically be connected to the marker in question once saved. Had you already prepared some spots and pages, you now know how to help connect them to the physical world. Go ahead, try it out, and share it with the world. Xamoom, joyful discoveries.